In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 4 ways you can send emails to your customers that they'll love. Research shows that more than 205 billion emails are sent each day, and the average professional will send and receive 122 emails every day, spending more than 3 hours of their day in their inbox. To give your business the best chance of cutting through the clutter, you need to send emails to your customers that they'll love. Here are 4 ways that you can send emails that your customers will enjoy and ultimately act on. Segment your users. The most obvious place you can start is segmentation. You don't want to send everyone the same thing. Even the most straightforward segmentation can pull you well ahead of the competition. The next time you send out a promotional newsletter, make sure you have at least 2 segments: those who've purchased from you before and new customers. You can use simple sections to your offer in each email that you send, and ultimately improve your profit with this campaign. Use the information of your customers to the segment when you send out email marketing, and you'll be ahead of your competition. Set up an automated campaign. Automated emails provide you with the power to personalize in a way that you just can't do manually. Sending emails that are based on your customers' specific browsing habits isn't something you'd be able to do by hand, but with email automation, you can trigger an email with content that's related to your customers' experiences on your website. Don't underestimate the power you can gain with automated emails. Simplify your copy. Email is an excellent medium for building your business because it forces you to remain simple. There's no room for bloat, and unless your emails are focused, they won't get the attention of your readers. Simplify your email copy and spend more of your time writing content that relates to the relationship of your customers to your business, and make sure to provide a single call to action. Give away your knowledge for free. Customers love it when you share your secrets with them. Too many businesses worry about giving away information. You want to give away as much information as you can as a way to help your customers. Help them by teaching them, and they'll love you more for it. When you start to focus on providing emails that your customers will love, you'll be able to increase your conversions. Make sure that each of the emails that you send counts, and you'll be well ahead of the competition.